Next data type in R is data frames. This is very important data type. Now what do you mean by data frame? So it is just like a table uh, in which we are storing data. So when you are preparing one table, in that table you are having multiple types of data included under a single table. Same way in data frames we are having data objects which are of different types. Okay, so we will see with the example. Data frames are tabular data objects. Unlike a matrix, in data frame each column can contain different modes of data. The first column can be numeric, while the second column can be character, and third column can be logical. It is a list of vector of equal length. Data frames are created using data frame function. Now see how to write data frame. It is to be written like this. This is a function which is used to create data frame. Now this is simple example. Now see, this is a comment created data frame. Now the name given to this created data frame is capital VMI. You can write any name, no problem. Now the keyword used is data.frame and opening bracket, and this is a corresponding closing bracket, right? Inside this we want how many types of columns? Gender, height, weight and age. Now since we are trying to create a table which is having 4 columns named as gender, height, weight and age, for how many people? So how many records we want? We want 3 records. So it is must that for all these 4 columns equal number of values should be given. For example, here see gender male, male, female. So there are 3 values, that means 3 records are available. So it is required that for height also you should have 3 values, weight also you should have 3 values and age also you should have 3 values. So inside this opening and closing bracket you are trying to create this 4 columns with the equal number of records, and then you are printing. Now I will also show you practically what is the other way to create the data frame. So I am just copying it and pasting to execute the same thing. Now see here, so this is a comment create a data frame. Data frame is created correctly. Now see here, instead of this prompt we are getting plus plus plus. This indicates that this command is addition of all these lines and it is completing here. Okay, so in this way you are creating a data frame. When you are printing this BMI, you will get a tabular form of these values. So gender, height, weight and age, and the values are stored like male, male, female, like this. So this is a one way. The another way is, now if now I ask you one question, here the gender is equal to C, male, female, male, male, female. This is a one vector which is named as gender. So if I will print gender here, whether I will get the 3 values male, male, female, would you say? Should it give? Since it is assigned these 3 values to a vector. Now we will try and check what happened. So it is showing the error. Why? Because this gender is not an individual vector. It is a part of a data frame. So if you want to see only gender information, so it should be associated with the name of data frame with a $sign. So with this what I am trying to do? I am trying to access or print the gender column belonging to BMI. I will try it whether it will give you output. Yes, see it is giving you output male, male, female, and it is also factorizing it, giving you the labels as female and male. Now how this, why male and female is not written, only female and male is written? Because these labels are arranged in ascending order. If it is character, so F comes early than M, so it is written female, male. If it is numeric, accordingly it will be displayed. Now I have told you that there is one more way to create data frame so that you can repeatedly use this vector. Okay, so now I am trying to create different vectors, and then from this I'll create a data frame. Okay, see, I'm just copying it. Now only gender is not available, it has shown you the error. So now it should create gender, it is creating, no error. Similarly, height, this is another column. I'm trying to separately create this vector. Then weight, and then this age. Now see, no errors. That means if now I print gender, okay, I should get the values. I'm getting. Now what is the difference between printing gender here, which is belonging to BMI, and it is a normal vector gender? So when you have printed through the data frame, you also got the factorization of those values, but here it is just simply printing it as a vector. Okay, so these vectors can be utilized for creating any number of data frames. So now I am trying to create one data frame with the name BMI1. It was BMI, I am writing BMI1 and writing data dot frame. Okay, and passing the variables gender, comma, height, comma, weight, comma, age. Okay, now what I have done, I have created separately these vectors, and now I am passing this vector as parameter to create a data frame. It should run and it should create. It is running, no errors. That means one data frame with the name BMI1 is what? Created. Okay, I'm just writing BMI1. Without print also it is displaying. See here. Okay, so now BMI is also created with the similar values. So this is the another way to create the data frame. Okay, either you can directly pass the values just like it is passed here to create now, and second way is you can create early all the vectors and you can pass those vectors as parameters. Okay.